Hello and welcome back to another video by Trendi Switch. Today we are sat down with Stephanie. Stephanie has been with us for her work experience this week, learning the ropes of a working day and week in the business. From the logistics and warehouse work to sales and onto the website. Hello, Steph.
Hi.
How have you found your work experience at Trendi Switch?
I found it very welcoming and all the team here was very accommodating.
Excellent. What have you enjoyed about your time working with the team?
One thing I really enjoyed was looking at the design process behind here at Trendi Switch and how everyone was collaborating together really nicely.
And finally, what will you take away from the work experience?
One thing I'll take away from the work experience is how everybody needs to play their role in being part of a team and how the collaboration can lead the business to success.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Stephanie, for coming in and helping on us out with this work week. We really appreciate it and we wish you all the best.
Thank you.